Hello and welcome to another update video about Render. Yeah, Render seems to be on its way to the next key level at $4.19. We've seen a little bit of rejection there today or some selling pressure coming in. So again, the situation is still that the assumption would be that we are currently in this fifth wave to the upside. Within the fifth wave, we have an ABC structure. I explained that in yesterday's video as well. A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. And within this C wave, obviously, we've got 5 waves. So the idea is that, in this C wave, we probably completed already a wave 1. The wave 2, maybe. It was very shallow, and that's the problem that I explained already in yesterday's video. The thing is, if wave 2 is complete, I would have to rely on an unusually shallow wave 2. Ideally at the very least, wave 2 would reach the 38.2 retracement. In this case, $2.91. It didn't do that. On most exchanges, this pullback didn't even reach the $3 mark. And ideally, actually, the 50% FIB level is reached. That's at 269. So at the moment, I would say it's equally likely. Has this third wave already started, or is wave 2 still unfolding? Yesterday, it looked a little bit like, okay, we're breaking out. But that strong setback ideally wouldn't or shouldn't have been there. So I keep the door open for potentially lower. In still unfolding wave 2, okay, and then this would just be an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. However, it would need to give me some signals that that's actually what's unfolding, because the price broke above this wave 1 high already yesterday at 375. Not a sustained break, but any break above a wave 1 high typically confirms the onset of a third wave. Now, as you can see, it's not a sustained break. So that's what I mean, it's equally likely that wave 2 is still unfolding. And if we dip back into this support area, that wouldn't be bearish. It would just provide another potential entry point, I guess, for most people who haven't had a chance to enter here, unless they entered, for example, here before in this trend reversal area or in this larger one. But or here, obviously this area wasn't reached. So I would welcome if it still is reached once more, because it would give us a more clearly defined and pronounced wave 2, which is a little bit more reliable. Okay, so yeah, let's say at the moment, this is definitely something we need to be watching for. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, and then possibly to $2.91 or $2.69. Either way, as long as the $2.23 level is holding, the focus can be on higher. Now, in the very short term, when does it get more likely that we are dipping into the yellow support area? Well, that would be with a break below the 78.6 FIB of the latest rally. So as I said, I need a signal, and that would be a break below $3.25. So that means if we break now below 325, it would indicate that wave 2 is still unfolding. Okay, you can argue we have a potential 5-wave move up here. And in that case, it should hold 325. Okay, so that's why that level is going to be key. But ultimately, there is plenty of support if the price needs it. Plenty of support all the way down to $2.23 if needed, and we would still not enter a bearish scenario. It would all be covered by this wave 2 scenario. Not much more to add, really. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.